Hi. If you've been injured on a New York City sidewalk or been involved in an accident with a New York City police car, a transit authority bus, or you've been injured on the subways in New York City, there are special laws that you need to know about in order to start a lawsuit against them. Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein with Goldstein Handwerker, and on today's video I want to talk about what you need to do to sue the City of New York or the New York City Transit Authority. Those entities get special treatment by the courts. In a normal case, in a normal personal injury case, you would have 3 years in New York State to sue somebody that you would be involved in a car accident with or if you tripped and fell. However, if you sue the City of New York or the New York City Transit Authority, there are special rules apply, which is why it's very important that you see a lawyer as soon as possible. Under the laws, you have 90 days from the date of accident to have yourself or your lawyer file a paper called a notice of claim. If that document is not sent within 90 days of the accident, it could prove fatal to your case against the City of New York. Also, there are specific statutes of limitations that apply to suing the City of New York and the New York City Transit Authority. You should talk to a lawyer and they will advise you about what those time limits are, but they are certainly less than the 3 years that you have to normally sue an individual. Also understand, if you sue any of those entities, they are entitled to what's called a 50H hearing, or they are entitled to take your deposition even before you file a lawsuit, because the law gives them the opportunity to investigate your claim before a lawsuit is even started. That's another protection that these entities get that the average person does not get as a defendant. Finally, they're tough. They fight their cases, which is why it's important that you see an experienced personal injury lawyer in New York City who is used to suing the City of New York or the New York City Transit Authority. You could call us or email us at the phone numbers below, and we'll be glad to talk to you about your case if you've been injured by the City of New York or by the New York City Transit Authority. Thank you for watching.